The Moen Engage Handheld Showerhead 26112SRN delivers a genuinely luxurious spray experience with a generously sized face that provides broad, even coverage. Its 6 distinct spray patterns range from a gentle, relaxing flow to a focused massage and strong rinse, making it easy to find a setting that suits different preferences and tasks. The magnetic docking system feels secure yet effortless, allowing truly one-handed removal and reattachment without fumbling or misalignment. The spot-resistant brushed nickel finish does a remarkable job of hiding fingerprints and watermarks, so the showerhead keeps its clean, modern look with minimal wiping. A long, kink-resistant metal hose offers excellent reach for rinsing hair, cleaning the shower, or helping children and pets without fighting tangles. Installation is straightforward for most standard showers, and the overall build quality feels solid and durable enough for everyday use over many years.